The first thing you need to do is decide what type of garden to grow. What purpose do you want your garden to serve? Some gardens are functional and produce fruit and vegetables you can use to feed your family or give away to neighbors. Others are more ornamental in purpose, serving to beautify your property and provide a pleasing sight to people passing by. If you're not sure what type of garden you want, consider the following options. Vegetable gardens can include peppers, tomatoes, cabbages and lettuces, potatoes, squash, carrots, and many other vegetables. If a vegetable is able to grow in your region, you can find a way to grow it in your yard. In flower gardens, different types of flowers may be strategically planted so that something is in bloom almost all year long. Some flower gardens are structured, with flowers planted in neat rows and patterns. Others are wilder in appearance. Your personal style and yard type will determine what type of flower garden you might plant. Herb gardens often complement both flower and vegetable gardens since they tend to flower beautifully and also serve the functional purpose. In general, vegetable gardens have the highest soil and maintenance requirements. Flowers and herbs can withstand more neglect than vegetable plants.